Hi everybody, it's Macera Monday again, and we are starting a short mini series on the most exciting topic in the world, which is bookkeeping. Oh, you thought that was going to be more exciting. Well, let me tell you something. I am bringing to you today a quick list of 5 reasons that you as a small business owner would benefit from doing your bookkeeping properly. So I have a lot of clients who come in and they aren't convinced that bookkeeping is the right thing to do. They think it's a waste of time. They think it's a waste of money. And, in some cases, they don't take me up on the offer. But let's talk for just a couple of minutes about some things that are beneficial about doing your bookkeeping. And then as the mini series moves on, I will have some specific instructions for you and a special guest who will talk about the benefits of some very specific bookkeeping related items. So please keep tuning in. You will be getting into the nitty-gritty of your business and how to make it better. So for today, 5 tips, 5 reasons to do your books and to do them correctly. Number 1, this is a huge surprise. If you do your bookkeeping correctly, you will actually know what's in your account. It's the old principle of, hey, I've got checks, I have money. Well, no, that's not exactly true, is it? You might have outstanding checks, you might have outstanding debits that haven't cleared, but if you can reconcile your books, you will actually know what's in your accounts. Seems simple, right? Well, it plagues a lot of people. Number 2, if you do your books properly, you will take advantage of more tax breaks. This is a great sound for all of us, more money in our pockets. If you have a bookkeeper or a tax accountant who will help you properly identify your expenses, your depreciation, all these things that maybe make no sense, you can save money on taxes. Always a good thing. Number 3, if you have good books, you can make decisions with very little other information, very little worry. I have a lot of people coming in to see me who are just plagued with, how do I make a decision? How do I know if I should buy some more equipment? How do I know if I can invest in marketing? How do I know? How do I do this? The answer is in your books. If you have some great reports, we like to use QuickBooks, for instance. If you have good reports, your decision making becomes a snap. Next, your books help you with strategy and planning. So many times you can see patterns in your books, and you might already know that your income is typically seasonal, that it goes up or down at a certain time, that there are gaps when maybe you have a certain income here and less here. Well, if you can actually quantify what those differences are, what those gaps are, or what those trends are, you can plan much better for your future. So you can actually do strategic planning, and that's a big part of creating a strategy that helps you make more income. And I think for most of us, making more income is one of the top 2 reasons we're in business. Number 1 might be your love of your profession, and number 2, definitely money. They might be in the other order. Depends on who you are. But keeping your books definitely helps you do actual great planning to make more money. And number 5, if you need one of 2 things. If you ever need a loan, a business loan, you will definitely need financials. And if you aren't keeping them properly, it's going to be a terrible pain to get any financing. In fact, it's probably going to be impossible. As they say, you should always get money when you don't need it, because when you do, you can't get it. So keeping your books helps you get money. And last but not least, if you want to exit your business, if you have a partnership or if you want to sell, you are going to need some clear financials to help you value your business. And that, my friends, is the top 5 reasons you should do your bookkeeping. Please come and see me again next Monday for some very specific information on commingling your personal and business funds, the rights and wrongs, the do's and don'ts, and what you can do about it. This is Macera Monday. I'm Jessica Macera, and I help you build your bigger, better business.